Alright, I got the video done, went over to CapCut, put an end cap on it. I had Claude to go ahead and create and merge about 60 seconds worth of video, 12 different scenes merged together, and a voiceover on it. Oh, what I didn't do is put any captions on it. I'll find out if they want captions or not. And if they do, I'll add those in CapCut. But I went ahead and made it without the captions. I like it better without the captions. And I uploaded it to YouTube. It's over here as an unlisted video. So get the share link and I'll give it to Claude. I'll say, okay, I went ahead and edited the video and uploaded it to YouTube. I put an end cap on it, and here is the link. What I would like you to do now is create an amazing high-end luxury feel website landing page for this company, Door to Dump. And you have the brochure with their information, you have the imagery, you have the logo, now you have the video. I want you to make a cool intro website for this company, something that would attract high-end apartment complex managers to want to get a meeting with these dudes. They're young, hip guys, fit and motivated to serve these communities. I want you to use the MCP tools and build this landing page on my Activate AI platform. And don't make it boring. Make it flashy and fitting for these two young dudes. Alright, let me make sure what's it got for files? Come on, what do you got for files here? It's got the logo. It's got the... Okay, cool. Alright, let's see what Claude can do. I like how Claude wants to say up front so he doesn't get in trouble. I don't yell at him. I'm built in Door to Dump's identity and not my brand. Different company, different brand. But yet, he's saying that, like verifying it, but he's going ahead and building before I acknowledge, yes, that's correct. So about 15 to 20 minutes, 20 minutes, I guess, for me to go finish it. And it made the video. Now, I already had the brochures done. I had created those a couple of weeks ago, and they had their logo. They sent me the scene scripts and the voiceover text that they wanted. And I loaded that up. Took about 15-20 minutes for Claude to... About 20 minutes I had to work through. We did about 5 minutes of hashing it out in the beginning, how we wanted it done, what we were going to use, specifying, that I wanted seedance used. And so then another 10 minutes or so for me to go in logos and stuff were right over in CapCut. And now we're doing the landing page. Let's open it, see what we come up with. Premium valet trash service. Sit it, forget it. We handle the rest. Okay, well, you got yellow, which really isn't their brand, but...
Trash night just got easier. Simply bag your trash and tie it securely. Set it outside your door by the designated pickup time, and our uniformed door-to-dump team takes it from here. We collect your trash right from your doorstep, transport it to the property's designated disposal area.
Okay. No lead form. Made up 2 stat labels, 5 nights a week, and #1 rated amenity class aren't in your brochure. I inferred them from industry norms. If door-to-dump runs a different schedule, that's a factual error on the live site. Check with them. The young, hip, fit guy's angle is thin. You asked for it, and I couldn't deliver it properly. I have no photos of the actual founders. Okay, not bad for a first try, comma. But I definitely want you to create a contact form on Activate AI and put that contact form on there that matches the brand with the coloring and styling. And I want it to go to a Google Sheet so they can track who contacts them and use it as their CRM. So make the Google Sheet first, then make the contact form, then change the landing page and add the contact form. I can work with the 5 nights a week, but I would like some other images pulled from the same guy that's on the brochures, and give me at least 3 to 4 image 2 quality videos or claim, not videos, images on the site as well, and try to get the mustard yellow color to look more gold, not yellow. Working in order, sheet, form, images, rebuild the page. Let me pull the schemas I need first. It's funny when Claude reads back to me. Oh, I tell it to do the form and the Google Sheet and the contact form. And it's like, I know that they're connected, but Claude always comes back like it's totally amazed. Like, oh, the native form syncs to the Google Sheets directly. It's not, Sherlock. All right, so the sheet is done. And let's... sheets that don't have alternating colors. Alright, and then let's go back. Now the form. Here's the form. Oh yeah, that looks nice. Ah, better color. Better color. Yeah, I like it. Okay, property request, property role, timeline message, email, property name, number of units. Nice. And then 4 images of the same valet, chained for consistency. I'll use a response ID from each to lock the character into the next. Nice. And always allow. Now rebuilding the page. With the 4 images and the form embedded. Update the landing page. Hopefully it'll give me the links to the images. If not, I'll have to tell it to give me the links. All three pieces wired together. Alright, test the form. Alright, let's go see what we got. See if it's any better this time. Much better. Much better. Schedule a walkthrough. Goes down here to the form. Call us direct. Email us. Alright, let's see what this says here. Let's see what the images we got. Set it and forget it. 60 seconds, one less thing to manage. Get pricing for your property. Yep, goes down to there. Okay. I like it. Okay. Fill it out. Alright, so let's fill this out. That's the last thing we need to see if this actually works. Alright, let's submit it. And let's go over and see if it showed up. Oh, my name. Oh. Alright. Request a walkthrough. There we go. Now it's done. And let's go check. And there it is. Everything went to the sheet. Good to go. There we go. That is the landing page. Alright. Let me go get the link to that, send it to the client, and see what they think. Not bad. Less than an hour. Got the video made, got a landing page made, have a booking CRM set up for them, got the video uploaded, put onto their site.
Trash night just got easier.
Not too bad.
Simply bag your trash and tie it securely. Set it outside your door by the designated pickup time, and our uniformed door-to-dump team takes it from here. We collect your trash right from your doorstep.
Now, I will make a video uploaded here instead of the YouTube, because I don't want my channel on here, so it would definitely have to be, they might need their own channel at some point, but we can definitely put just the video as a raw file, and that way it can just embed the raw video. Now, I wouldn't do this with a long video because it's going to take too long for the user to upload the video, because it's different than a streamed video on a hosting service. This is actually uploading that video file every time they go on that page. And all right, let's get the link, go over and give it to Claude. Here is the link. Go ahead and change that landing page video. please. Be nice. I'm mean to Claude a lot. Alright, done. Let's see if it plays. Everything else looks good. Still got the same stuff on here. Alright. Let's see if it plays.
Trash night just got easier. Simply bag your trash and tie it securely. Set it outside your door by the designated pickup time, and our uniformed door-to-dump team takes it from here. We collect your trash.
Okay. That works. Okay. Yeah, let me watch it on the phone. Let me send it over to my phone. Alright, and I just watched it on my phone, and it looks great. Plays the video. So I think we're done. Good job, Claude. And, yeah. So, 45 minutes, and most of that was wait time on just processing the code and the video uploads. But yeah, not too bad. 3 minutes to make the video from basically just from the flyer, and instruction Word document on what they wanted the script to be. I had those two things to start with. Spent 30 minutes, less than 30 minutes, to complete that whole process, get the video made, and then another 30 minutes, 35 minutes or so to come over here and have Claude take that video and make a landing page with a Google Sheet and a contact form synced together, and the video playing and generating images that it put on the website. I didn't have to do a thing except video file. I like it. So I hope that was helpful, and like I said, just find a little project that you're doing like this, go in and hash it out with Claude or ChatGPT, use your MCP tool, and let it start building some stuff. The more you do, the more you're going to learn all these little things that didn't quite work the way you want. You go in there and you tweak them. You know next time to ask for it a different way maybe, and get better results each. And before you know it, you're going to be in here in 15 minutes getting just about anything that you can think of. And it's kind of crazy. So I hope this was a good one, and I'll see you in the next one.